Good morning. I am here at J Center Mall. I don't see the sign. I think the sign's over here. There we go. It's up there. J Center Mall. Why I'm here at J Center Mall? I'm here to do my annual check-in for my ACR card. I am gonna try and video as much of this as I can before someone starts complaining and tells me to turn it off. So I will figure it out from there. But I believe I need to go over there. There we go. Yeah, I need to look on the screen to see where my finger is actually pointing. And see if they're open, but it looks like the mall itself is closed at this point still. Or it might be just COVID restrictions on getting in. I'm gonna watch these people, see if they actually get in. Yeah, it looks like you can get in. Cool. Oop. I'm actually gonna turn this off because I gotta take off my glasses, put on my face shield and all that fun stuff, so I will talk with you when I'm inside. I got through security all right, and yeah, it is open. And I need to go up to the second floor, and this seems to be rather common. For some reason, escalators aren't working terribly well here. I'm gonna head this way. I came at this from a completely different way last year. Salamat. Bureau of Immigration. Russell?
Sir, my people right side.
Go outside? Salamat. Okay, I guess I am heading in the right area. For some reason last year they told me to go outside, but he just told me to go through the mall to go outside. Mr. DIY. I may check that place out on the way out. Me department store. Oh, no fair. These ones are going. I'll have to remember that on the way back down. I'm gonna ask the security guard. Hopefully he'll know. Tabi. Asang Bureau of Immigration.
Yeah, this way, sir. Or maybe I get the door.
Oh.
Okay, yeah.
Salamat. Yeah. I guess I just needed to open the eyes. Yeah, I'm trying to see what the dollar exchange rate is. I heard of a water park somewhere in here. But it's closed due to COVID, of course. I guess it's part of that Tokyo Hotel, Tokyo Inn Hotel or whatever. Tabi.
Yes, sir.
Tabangko? Can I get some help? I need to do my annual check-in for my ACR card.
Other officer, annual report yearly, renewal yearly.
Oo.
Prepare photocopy your I card back to back.
I need a photocopy of my iCard back to back.
After you photocopy, you go over there.
Where do I get the photocopy?
That one. Cheapskate, small store.
Just get small store. Oh, okay. Salamat. Tabi,
Hi.
can I get a photocopy of an ACR card?
Yeah, we
Okay.
can do a photocopy.
Pili? Pila?
3 pesos.
Sige, hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna put the... Got my copies. And now I'm waiting in line. It's not too bad. There's only a few people in front, but and at least you get a chair to wait into. So not a whole lot to see here until I actually get in the office, and I don't think they're going to let me video while we're in the office. So this is where I'm at now. Oh boy. We handed in paperwork over there, and we're sent over here. And he took the paperwork, and I just got told sit. So we're setting and figuring out what happens next. Now that was actually a little bit easier than I expected it to be. That after I dropped off the paperwork in the second window and paid at the third window, I came out here and waited. And that gentleman came up, called my name eventually, and handed me the receipt. And that was it. I'm paying it. It wasn't that bad, and this year the lines weren't bad at all. So doing your annual check-in during COVID is actually kind of quick and way painless. So that's it. And now I'm actually back on my way out. And Cindy asked me to stop and grab a bucket of chicken from Chicken Joy from Jollibee, because Mama and Papa are on their way to Cebu. So I'm gonna go. I know I saw Jollibee here somewhere, so I'm gonna go find that and talk with Cindy. But that was my annual check-in. Gonna be a short video. Enjoy, people. Bye-bye.